There was a time in 1919 that the Army Air Corps put out a request for a proposal on a free fall parachute. And the person that would get the contract had to design and build the parachute and demonstrate it. So Leslie Irvin picked up that challenge, and it was the first free fall jump. And serious scholars said, oh no, you would pass out in a matter of seconds if you were free falling, and you wouldn't be able to pull your ripcord. Well, Leslie Irvin set out to demonstrate that's not the case. So he jumped out of his plane and pulled the ripcord and the chute open. He made a normal landing, except he broke his ankle. That was a historical event when he changed parachute history. His company was awarded the contract. He got his lawyer to then incorporate the company as Irvin Airchute. The attorney misspelled his name and it became Irving Airchute, and it stayed that way erroneously for decades and decades.
From there, he started selling parachutes to the US and then broadened throughout the world. And those parachutes were well known and saved many lives throughout history.
In the early days, parachutes were fabric and that was it.
It's amazing to see what we were, from going from sport parachutes to selling to the military, to making cargo parachutes that can carry tanks and trucks and things like that. I've seen the change through the whole time I've worked here, and it's awesome.
One of the things that we've done in this company is we've always focused on the warfighter, the end user of the product, and I think that has a lot to do with our success.
Today, with the airborne guidance units, electronics, the technology has grown and it is still growing.
We work faster than before. We can develop parachutes faster, not only in the design, but I would say mainly in the testing. These days when we go testing parachute, we have so many sensors, cameras. As soon as you land, you can look at the data, you can look at the high definition, frame by frame videos and everything before you have time to repack your parachute.
Airborne Systems is all about enthusiasm and passion. I mean, I feel blessed to work with the team that I work with. There is no one in the team who is not an absolute passionate individual. And I think that's what sets us really apart from the rest of the industry.
We all enjoy being able to work on projects that kind of take us from the start of the project all the way through design, analysis, development, testing, manufacture. We really get to see almost every stage of a project, and that's pretty rare within the aerospace industry.
Everyone brings a different perspective to helping solve a problem and create a solution for the customer.
We care a lot, and that shows in our history. We wouldn't have been here for 100 years if we didn't have really great products and really great people.
The future for Airborne Systems is really encouraging because of the personnel we have, the technology that we're developing in the background.
Being with Airborne Systems, we consistently win program after program, project after project.
We will continue to push the envelope and develop other market segments, including aerial targets, UAVs, and other parachute subsystems.
I see the future of Airborne Systems as one of amazing advancement. We're integrating the capabilities of the space and recovery side of the organization, which is modeling, simulation, advanced lightweight design, with the personnel side and the R&D side, which are military parachutes that are made in large quantities and shipped all over the world. And with the combination of the technologies that those two groups have available, we can make amazing advancements that no other company can.